It's running without us. It is running without us. Yeah, it's unlucky. Yeah, it's looking proper nice now. It's unlucky, man. Again, we've seen some... We've seen some beautiful manoeuvres today. E.g., GU. It's not quite coming to entries. Yeah. The Euro's gained a random bit of bearishness, bullishness as well, which has come out of literally nowhere. Yeah. Do 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 do. We've got 15 minutes until we got that that composite. We'll see how that does, because I think that will actually... Oh wow, we've got a stock markets are doing well. GF30 is up like 0.3, FTSE 0.1, 0.2, NAS 0.25%, S&P just above break even, US 30 half of a percent by the looks of it. To be fair, we've actually, yeah, I mean, today's not been awful. I mean, it's not been textbook, has it? But I wouldn't say in any way that it's been shit. I wouldn't say necessarily it's been shit. I feel like it's been alright. Price action's been nice. Again, we're in one of those weird weeks. It's the first. It's like the end/start of the week. This start of the month this week. So it is an awkward. It is a bit awkward, right? It is a bit awkward. Put myself there. I'm back on YouTube now, by the way, boys. I didn't even know it cut out. I think it's because that bit's actually darker. Yeah, that's actually better. Looks pretty. Are you boys gonna keep your entries on for GU though? The Euro's come so bullish, isn't it? Fucking hell. Really bullish. That ain't even that bad. Got stopped out of the EU just for it to fly up again. Oh, was you looking for the longs as well? Did you get a little bit too early? I think I heard someone else did as well, actually. I'm pretty sure someone else did. I'm in sales for 1.342. Alright, for GU. Fair play, bro. Why long we're in a 1 hour fair value? Just off currency strength at the moment, bro. 1 hour value. Well, see, this is the thing. This is the thing when the market's right. This isn't the trading range we're in. Our trading range isn't here. It's just too short term. Our trading range is here to here, so we're looking for this area to get mitigated. Pretty much. That's like a nice area. Get ourselves at 2 hour will do us. So we're more looking at the higher time frame. We just came into it. Euro's strong, man. This is proper battling. Proper battling with the pound. Maybe should wait for G to retrace. Nah, I wouldn't get in again, really. Re-entries would probably be this trading range. Still really nice trade though. Really nice trade. If you was able to get in. Are you still in GU, Skull? Sorry, EG. DX1 4 hour looks bearish, so makes sense for now. Yeah, nice. Hey boys, if you're on YouTube, drop a like for me. Make sure you're subscribed, man. Looking to grow the shit out of this YouTube. Don't know if you boys can see, but we've been trying to graft it as much as we can. I've got a stop loss. That's calm, man. No sweat. No sweat. Don't revenge trade, Scott. Make sure you're not revenge trading. That's the last thing you want. That's the very last thing you want. I'm in EU long. Nice, bro. Where'd you get in? Where'd you get in EU longs? Because the euro is really strong at the moment. So I feel like those positions are going to be really good. It's if they can sort of hold that strength, though, right? Yeah, where did you get in on that on EU, bro? Oh, all the way down here, yeah. Fair play. But what'd you get in after that? After the trade through this fair value? Oh, no, you couldn't have done. I'm not even too sure. But it's like I keep saying, if you're on TikTok, come jump on the YouTube so you can see my full screen and shit. It's just way better, man. Yeah, fair play, fair play. We'll see where we go. I mean, the euro and the pound are both pretty strong. So they're sort of following the same suit, really. So yeah, we'll wait and see on it. Nice ones, boys. Alright, boys, by the way, this is the Discord link. If you're not yet in the Discord, we've got a big community on over there. We do giveaways. We're going to start doing them like once a month now with funded accounts. And boys, yeah, I forgot to say, we're currently doing 50% off Optimal Traders. If you boys want to get funded with them, man, obviously the instant funded with those guys, then hit me up. We've got, yeah, we can get you boys 50% off. I should be able to make you a thing now, sis. No, I've got to go on your account and or something. What was it? Oh, there, so. Actually muted you. Right, you're a moderator. Stu, let's see if you're. I don't think you are one. There you go, Stu. Oh no, I think you already do. Oh, you already do. EG will get some bullish movement in the build up to May 8th BOE rate cut. Yeah, that's exactly what we'll see. So that's when we'll see EG have that little retracement back up. Because I haven't seen EG move to the upside in a bit, really. May surely entries on retracements to IFEG on EU be good. What, for the buy? Or would you talk about retracements into like sort of this phase here? For the short or the long? Stupidly close here, man. Stupidly close. Did you have the call yesterday? What was that for, bro? ST, you in the Discord, bro? If you are, mate, just send your chart into there, so I can have a little look. The Ito is a daily open, bro. Yeah, Lou did. Lou had a conversation with him. We're proper moving now. But yeah, we can now do 50. We can get you guys a 50% off those Optimal Traders accounts. Knocked out from the Hennessy. I can't remember last night for 1,000 for this Dior drip. And you can check the tag press. What's your win rate and RR? Win rate's around 67%. I think it's something like that. Last time I checked, it was like 60 odd. I'll just say 65, keep it conservative. And an average RR is 1 to 2.5. That's my average RR. Definitely, I can remember last night. It's my last party. It's like most signal groups, isn't it? GU's going though, man. Has EG stopped then? Has EG continued higher? Lovely, thank fucking it enter back into that then. That's why you trade within your times, boys. The exact reason why. GU on the other hand is looking absolutely amazing. Looking perfect. You break math. Yes, Aaron, what we saying, bro? We getting a little tap on this DTO. That DTO is quite scary for us, I won't lie. That is definitely where we could have that reversal move. Are you still moving? EU's moving strong. Where the hell's that strength come from? I don't, yeah. The thing is, it's difficult to hold this by. I saw that bloody stream deck out, will you? How about you guys? When the ticket's back on. What's that? Oh, the tickers. Yeah. Thing is, though, you got to think the shit I got plugged into my computer is probably why it's running slow. Oh god, this fucking thing. So to verify, like I've barely got any more holes in my computer. Wow, didn't mean it that way. National Grid struggling purely because of what I've got here. I've got a mic plugged into my computer, a camera, my mouse, my keyboard, my 2 monitors, my charger for my laptop, and the Stream Deck. The Stream Deck's plugged in. I don't know why it's not on. I've got like 8 things plugged into my laptop at the moment. Anything else I've got randomly plugged in? No, I think that's it. I think that is it. It's got bare shit plugged in. I'm plugged to the max. Oh yeah, I forgot. I've also got a butt plug in. So I've bare plugged. Oh yeah, almost forgot about the butt plug. You just sitting isn't really doing much of that detail. It's just chilling. It is literally just chilling. Where's the cable for it? Because I also want this back on as well, to be fair. What was there? It's not actually. I thought it was plugged in. Let's get this bad boy plugged in. My camera just cut out there. Fuck. go. Can we turn on? Trust me, Steve. Let me add an app. Stream Deck. Do I not have the app? Apparently not. Put it on here. There we go. Oh no. I just realised still I wasn't. I was just reason I just clocked I wasn't getting any of those pop-ups, and then now I've just plugged it back in. I'm getting that pop-up for Streamlabs now. No! There we go. Oh, so I can literally actually just start streaming that. That's cool. That's cool. Hey! I've got to add the Forex Factory thing on there. And Trading View. And Chess. This thing is pretty sick, I ain't gonna lie. Like, this thing is actually cold. Forex Factory. Trading View's already open. Yeah, we work with ACG, bro. No, I do, Stu, and it keeps coming up, innit? Wish it was as simple as that. You would have thought it would have been. Oh, what have I done now? There we go. Yeah, similar with GU. I mean, the retest, I don't know if you want to get in. I think it depends on the dollar. I mean, we've got nothing positive coming from the dollar, so I don't think we're gonna be real. I don't think the shorts are the best option for EU or GU. What's your honest opinion on them? Their response are very slow via email. I've honestly had no problems with him, bro. I've honestly never had any problems. From my perspective, they're a really strong firm. I'm the type of person not to just work with a firm for the sake of it. Like, I was funded with ACG before I started working with them. And also, I've been trading for over 6 years. I've used many prop firms, and there's only a few that I would say I would even bother getting funded with. And ACG would definitely be one of them, as well as FTMO. But FTMO also have their drawbacks, like their spreads are shit, awful. ACG sometimes could be poor, but sometimes actually much better than FTMOs. Gold ain't doing too bad. We've seen the commodity come up a little bit. I mean, I haven't got faith in it of doing loads that are coming up a lot higher. But I can definitely see it, maybe having a little retracement, but I think I'm still sort of mainly looking for it to come to the downside, to be honest. FTMO, they don't pay traders. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, Casey? My friend didn't get paid his 20k. Well, it's probably because he was trading a stupid way, bro. I mean, who earns 20k in a month for prop firm? Like, I wouldn't, like, respectfully, I wouldn't pay your boy out either. Like, if I knew you was bare higher risking and placing bare trades and asking for a payout within a week, well, like, the thing is, bro, these prop firms aren't stupid, like. Well, what were the trades he was taking? And try and be honest with me if you can. Because I'll be honest, there's always a reason why people fail their challenge, innit? And it's normally the same reason. People can't bear to face the fact that they're risking too much on these accounts. But I can assure you, FTMO pay out. Yeah, do you know what I'm saying, EK? Got a funded account with ACG but failed KYC for nationality, although I live in the UK. I just found it weird. He was playing with leverage. What do you mean he was playing with leverage? What do you mean? Well, what was it all in your names in that one up? Because if you found a KYC and everything was all correct in that, then I would shout them. I'll definitely give him a shot. Risking too big. Well, there's your reason, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? FTMO aren't looking for risky traders, do you know what I mean? If they was looking for risky traders, there wouldn't be a challenge. There wouldn't be any challenge. There wouldn't be any challenge, there wouldn't be any rules, do you know what I mean? Like, you're bound to not get your payout, really. But you won the trades. Yeah, again, bro. If I gave you, right, answer this question, right? If you gave me $1,000, but I said to you, you could lose all of this money, or I could triple it. No, not even say $1,000. So let's say 20 grand. That's a lot of money. I could trade this at higher rate. No, not even that. You give me 20 grand, right? I either make you double back, yeah, or I lose it in a week. Or I say, or what I can do is I can make you 5% back every month, and then the chance of me losing it all is very, very, very slim. What would you rather? What option would you rather have? The high risk one where you can lose 20 grand, or or would you want the version where you can actually moderately earn monthly off it? What would you rather have? I choose yeah, do you know what I mean? That's exactly what FTMO do. There's a reason why there's rules. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's a reason why they've got their particular rules at the first stage, and they want you to abide by them. Do you know what I'm saying? And if you don't, you won't get paid out because they want low risk, good traders. Because at one point they'll probably put you onto their fund where you'll be trading a portion of their fund, and they don't want you to be a risky trader because how is it benefiting them? It doesn't really benefit them at all. The risk isn't for you, the risk's for them. I mean, what are you risking? £200 that you paid for the account. But you've got to think, FCMO would probably have like a €50 million pot for a fund. And they probably give out like 100k to each member who's traded who's got like 9 to 10 payouts or whatever it may be. I'm not too sure what their background move is, but they don't want higher risk traders, bro. There's a reason why there's rules. Do you know what I'm saying? There's a reason for it. It's not about profitability. Because the thing is, how does the prop firm even know my man's profitable? Like, profitable is about, like, you don't look at a profitable P&L in terms of like a week or a day. You look at it in terms of a year, quarterly to a year. You know? What's the Stream Deck thing, mate? I can pretty much just press anything that comes up. So say if I want to go on Forex Factor, I can press that and it'll bring it up for me. Just press it now. Same thing with my website. I can go on my website, just press it and it takes me straight to my website. Just let it load. Trading View, got a timer on here as well. And I've also got the tickers so I can just see how they're moving without actually going onto the pairs. And obviously I've got a button I can actually just stream from. I still need to set this up, to be fair. I've only set it up like a little bit, but yeah, man, good little tool. I don't even know how much this cost me, bro. It might have been like 150 quid. But it's just a good little streaming thing. I've not actually properly used it yet, to be fair. I need to properly set it up. It's just, you've got to set up all like the squares, you know. You can have another page, have a load more. But I've just got to sit there and set it up. It's kind of a long thing. But yeah, it's sick, man. Sick. Just a cool little streaming tool, innit? Boys, I'm streaming on YouTube, by the way, if you want to come watch me. You can see the full screen on here. It looks way clearer, plus you can see me. Needs to be in the office so I can do it. Here you can see, Stu's always got like a little bit of lip to him. Just a little bit of lip. That's how much lip Stu has all the time. Just that. On every bit of sentence is a bit of sass. This much sass. Minimal. But it's there, isn't it? So clean 5-minute MSS, 15-minute IFEG, 15-minute oil block, 4-hour internal, so nice on the shot. On the charts. Sorry, what are we looking at, Forex? What pair is that, bro? What's the blue box? Blue blocks. Wow, blue box is London session. This orange box here is just behind here. Is the New York session. And then green is Asia. Oh, GU, yeah. I took it, but for 1 to 2. Why only 1 to 2, bro? Was it a shorter TP or just a bigger stop loss? I mean, it's fair play. 1 to 2. 1 to 2s are calm. I want to complete the FT, but no, I ain't done that. I was going through it at one point, like time ago. I might have completed. I'm not even too sure. I might have done. I completed baby pips when I was learning. Fucking hell, that was long. Bearing in mind, I've read it all out as well. I've written down notes for everything. I had a notebook literally just full of what baby pips is. Well, I got stopped out near you is terrible. Wow, what happened? Different time zones. Is that an indicator? Yeah, bro. This is an indicator that I got made for us. For my community. If you want to have this Discord, bro, it's only my community can have it. So if you're in a Discord, yeah, you can have it, bro. But it's a link. It's not public. If you go into my Discord, mate, it's just in there. Someone's going to send the link in 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go. Cheers, dude. Yeah, the link's there, bro. Just copy and paste that into your web browser, and you'll get pretty much access as a win vibe. So yeah, once you join there, just text in the free chat. You need to verify yourself, but once you're in the free chat, just text in that indicator, and I'll send you the link, bro. Anytime, man. It also don't just come with sessions. It also comes with like Friday high liquidity level, Friday low, Pro week high, Pro week low. Comes with loads of stuff, boys. By the way, again, I'm live on YouTube, so if you want to come watch me stream on here, you can see you can see the whole screen, and you can also see me. Get better seeing this whole screen. We got about half an hour to that 2 p.m. news come out. How did that come out actually? Because yeah, it looks like 2 p.m. That's when we started to have a little switcheroo of the price action. Alright, so that come out 4.5%, even lower than expected. So yeah, quite bearish for the dollar. Jolt job openings is still looking to be bearish for the dollar. So CB consumer confidence. So yeah, I'm still long GUEU really. Yeah, ST private pretty much, my bro. That's why boys. That's why I always say come join and sub to us on YouTube, because we're always on YouTube, innit? Like if we're live on TikTok, we're live on YouTube. Even if we're not live on TikTok because we got banned on all of our accounts, we'll be on YouTube. But yeah, it's a constant battle wherever it is. A constant battle. It is jarring. It is what it is, though, man. It is what it is. Are you still going, man? Jesus Christ. I ain't even too far to the age of Hannah. I hear ya. What's the YouTube called and what times you go live? You lot trade the same as me. Nice, bro. We trade London session. Lou normally jumps on at 8:30. This is it here, bro. We normally jump on at 8:30 for London session, and then we jump on New York at 1 p.m. So yeah, just rich SFX, bro. I'm trying to, yeah, I'll be real, this is sort of the move of the day. I want to see GU continue. It was unlucky. It literally missed by, what did it miss by? Because that was actually fucking minimal. It literally missed by 0.7 pips. We'll say a pip. It missed by literally 1 pip. What the fuck? A singular pip, is it a joke? Or is this actually a jerk? Honestly, market execution is probably better, so you'll never miss a trade. It depends on your analysis, right, bro? Because for me, limits, you don't always necessarily want to be in a trade that you've placed. Like you'll notice, like more time. The reason what I love about limits is it's all so chilled. Like once I have this pattern happen here, I can place. And then yeah, you're walking away from the charts. You're not rushing to jump into anything. You place your limit, walk away. Psychologically, I find it way easier. To be honest, and plus with the way I trade with fair values and that, when I'm waiting for a retracement, I'd rather not just sit there and wait for the market execution. So I can just set it on that fair value. And what you got? I don't mind if I miss out by 0 point. Like this has happened a lot recently. Not a lot. It's probably happened like 3 times recently. Thing is, I don't trade New York session. Normally we do have a nice feel of these 50%. That's why I trade 50%. Normally London session it works better. So in terms of what I know, it does work a lot nicer. I'm a limit dude. Okay. That's calm. If you're going to jump into market executions, you are going to take some that you shouldn't when it's closed. Yeah, true. True. I just think limits psychologically are better, really, and that's a lot harder than just the technical side. So there's one reason. Also, you're gonna have a tendency to jump out to trust me, 100%. Right, boys, I'm gonna jump off now. It looks like we are just gonna distro. I'll probably be still sending in a few charts into the Discord, into the free chat. Boys, make sure you're in there. We've got a big community in there. We're live every single day. We talk to everyone. Do a few giveaways towards the end of the week, a few games and shit. Poker and that. We'll set up a poker tournament again soon. But yeah, boys, until pre-London tomorrow. I'll catch you, man, then. Don't place anything shitty and silly as well. There's a Discord link, boys. Just copy and paste into your web browser. And then you should be all sweet to go. And like I said, go drop a sub to us on YouTube. Let me just bring my YouTube. Let me bring my YouTube up. But make sure you're sub to us, boys, because this is where we do mainly go live. Make sure you drop a sub on the channel, you man. Literally just rich SFX. Yeah, boys. We should see GU this show to the upside. If anyone likes our analysis on GU today and EU, and want to know how you can apply it and how to learn this for yourself, drop me a message, boys. My DMs are always open, man. How often does your setup play out a week? I'll be honest. Like what I call does play out a lot. Doesn't mean it's a trade, right? But most moves that I call do come out, but that doesn't mean I get into a trade, unfortunately. But yeah, because I follow the market from a very heavy fundamental perspective, and I think that's what definitely gives us the edge. I'm using fair value gap plus liquidity sweep. What else should I combine it with? Yeah, IFEG, inverse fair value gap. But yeah, boys, I'm jumping off now. You got any more questions, guys? Just drop me a DM in my drop me a DM on this account here. I'm active. Like your setup, how often does it appear? It depends on the market situation, bro. Like right now, it's not appearing as much. So it definitely depends on the phase of the market and what time of the year, I'd say. But over the course of a year, plays out enough times to be profitable consistently to 3 to 4% for me, anyways. But yeah, you man, love you all. Don't place anything stupid. And any questions, shoot me in my DM. Sweet, you boys. YouTube. Sweet, you man. I'll catch you man in the morning. We're probably gonna be most of you man are members anyway, so I'll catch you man in the morning. And yeah, can't wait to fucking hopefully get a trade. We've been getting close to getting trades, man. It's been very unlucky. EG was quite unlucky this morning. Ran without us, didn't really move. And then it come back to it, but who was to be placed to trade at 12 o'clock. So yeah, Catch you boys tomorrow, and yeah, don't place anything bloody stupid. Any questions, send me through a DM.